Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Store stuck on pending in Windows 11. First, we will clear the Microsoft Store cache. This is the fastest fix and often solves the problem right away. Right-click the Start button and select Run from the list. A small run window will open. Type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank command window will appear for a few seconds. Do not close it. When the process is finished, the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Try downloading the app again and see if it moves past pending. If the app is still stuck, we will repair or reset the Microsoft Store. Right-click the Start button and click on Installed Apps. Scroll down and find the Microsoft Store in the list. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. First, click Repair and wait a moment. This will fix the app without removing data. If that does not work, click Reset. This will clear the app data and sign you out of the store, but it often fixes download issues. Next, check your date and time settings. Wrong time settings can block secure connections. Open Settings and go to Time and Language. Click Date and Time. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. Then, click Sync Now to update the time. After these steps, restart your PC and try downloading the app again. In most cases, the pending issue should be fixed. Thanks for watching.